If you've ever wanted to make money with AdSense, this video is for you. I'll be teaching you how to make money with Google AdSense using a trick that not a lot of people know about. To be more specific, I'll teach you how to build utility web apps using AI and then monetizing through a Google AdSense account. I'll teach you exactly how to build these web apps, how to place ads on your site using Google, the whole process of signing up for Google AdSense. By the end of this video, you'll have a new creative way of making money online. A lot of people think you need really big startup ideas to make money online, but these days that couldn't be farther from the truth. There are so many boring tools that are quietly printing money. And yeah, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna build out a web app tool and monetize it using ads. Now, just to give you guys some examples of what I'm talking about, we're talking about things like mortgage calculators, typing tests, business name generators, other types of calculators, basically little tools that live on a website. I call these utility apps because people are actively searching for it. Instead of getting traffic by people just stumbling onto a website, these people are actually searching for something, for example, a very specific purpose, and then choosing to go to a website. The reason why Google loves these websites is because they have really high engagement. People get an instant answer and they stay on these pages for a long time. Many users actually use the website multiple times and they have a very low bounce rate. And so what this means is that you actually have a pretty big advantage for ranking on Google, which organically, of course, gets people to your page, which lets you make more money with Google AdSense and so on. So really quickly, before we dive into how you can actually make these web apps super easily, I want to quickly talk about what Google AdSense is. You let Google place ads on your website and they give you a portion of the ad revenue paid by these companies. It's completely free to join and you're basically paid on impressions or traffic. There's two main ways to get paid, right? First is the CPM method. So you get paid per 1,000 ad views. And the great thing here is that you get paid even if no one clicks on it. The other way to make money is through CPC, cost per click, and essentially get paid a set amount for every single click. Take, for example, a standard mortgage calculator website. Ads on a site like this can usually get between $3 to $6 CPM. That basically means that for every 1,000 page views, you're getting between $3 to $6. And so if you are able to have monthly traffic of, let's say, 1 million people, you're making between $3,000 to $6,000. It's completely passive income. You just build the website once and essentially money starts rolling in if you can get traffic. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to actually build tools like this. And we're gonna be using something called Hostinger Horizons. This is a really great way for anyone to build web apps, build websites with AI. You do not need to learn how to code. It basically does everything for you. It's just crazy because for the price of, let's say, one meal per month, you get the software that can actually build real applications. And you can deploy all those applications within Hostinger Horizons. It's all done in one single place. So this is really perfect for beginners. So if you guys click on the link down below in the description or pinned comment, it's going to take you to this exact landing page. This is how you're going to be able to get Hostinger Horizons for the best price possible. And what we'll do is click on Start Now, and it's going to show us the 4 different plans. So there's Explorer, Starter, Hobbyist, and Hustler. Now, for most of you guys watching this, I don't think you need to start off with the Hobbyist or Hustler plans. I think the Starter plan is going to be good enough for most people. If you ever need more AI credits, you can absolutely just upgrade later on. Or if you want a really cheap plan that doesn't have that many credits, there's also the Explorer plan. Just know that you don't get a free domain with that one. It's also pretty limited in the features, so you can only make one website with it. Whereas with the Starter plan, for example, you get over 2 times the number of credits per month. You get that free domain, 2 free mailboxes per website, and you can make up to 25 websites with one plan. Yes, we can literally rinse and repeat, make 25 different small businesses with this one account. So I'm gonna select this one for this video. I will say pricing may change a little bit depending on when you guys are watching this video. And what we'll do is we'll select how long we want to have this for. I recommend doing 12 months because if you click on 1 month, it becomes a lot more expensive. And you definitely wanna lock in this low price for a long time. So now it's gonna have you select the time period you want. So we can choose 1 to 12 months. I recommend locking in this low price for 12 months. It's gonna save you a lot of money in the long run. And definitely do not forget to come here to have a coupon code, enter in Charlie Chang, and that's gonna take an additional 10% off. So once you do this, you'll click on continue. I know this might seem like a good chunk of money, but this compared to what it costs to build apps before is basically nothing. So if you end up not using the service or whatever, you can always get your money back. But yeah, this is the platform I recommend to all my friends and family who ask me what they should use to build websites or build apps. It's just so good for beginners and I highly recommend it. So we'll click on continue. It's gonna have you enter in your email address and password, and then you'll be able to enter in your payment details. So what I'm gonna build is something like a mortgage calculator. So if we click on this right here, you can see there's this website, and essentially what it does is it allows you to enter some information about your home, down payment, loan amount, interest rate. It's basically gonna calculate a bunch of information about your payment. As you can see, there are ads on this page. If you check out this one too, it's very similar, right? A little bit different, but there's this ad right here. And so yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna build something similar to this. I'm in ChatGPT and I'm basically gonna have ChatGPT create a prompt for us. Now you don't need to do this, but I do recommend it. It's gonna be able to create a very detailed prompt that we can copy over into Hostinger Horizons. Now we're building a mortgage calculator for this video, but there's so many other things you guys can generate. You can build a business name generator. You can build a typing test. What I recommend doing is go to ChatGPT, ask it to help you brainstorm different tools that you guys can create and choose whatever you want to do. Okay, so now it's created this really detailed prompt for us. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy all this. Let's head back to Hostinger Horizons. And what we're gonna do is copy this and hit this button. So like I said, you do not need coding experience. All you basically do is use English to help guide the Horizons AI builder. It's going to understand the prompt that you submitted, whatever you guys put. So as you can see, it understood what we are asking. And now it is starting to build out the foundation of our app. Over here on the right, if you want to make any changes to what it's doing, you can do all that right here just with written English. It might also ask you some questions or have you input certain information. And it's all done within here, right? So think about it. You're basically chatting with a very fast programmer coder and telling it exactly what you want it to do. The beauty of making these web apps with Horizons is that it doesn't need to be that complicated. Even if it is pretty complicated, it doesn't take a lot of time to make. There's also infinite ways that you guys can actually monetize this. For example, you can get affiliate links for different products that relate to the content of the web app and place those links within blog articles on that page. And so you can get really creative with how you monetize. The greatest thing here though that I'm teaching you guys is how easy it is to just make these apps with English, right? Without any coding at all. I have zero experience coding. I don't know how to write a single line of code, but I've been able to make really cool apps just using Horizons. So it's done making the first initial draft of our web app. And when I say web app, I mean like a mixture between a website as well as an app, right? So it has a bunch of functionality. And as you can see, this actually looks really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through this and show you guys. If you want to make it bigger, you can easily do that right here. I'm just gonna leave it like this. As you can see, you can also have a mobile view. So if you want to see what it looks like on a phone, that also looks really solid. Now, there are probably going to be some things that you want to switch up. For example, if I click on this button right here, it doesn't take me anywhere. And also, I don't think we need this learn more button. So what I can basically do is say something like this. Okay, so make sure the start calculating button on the hero section links to the calculator, and then also remove the learn more button. So let's go ahead and do that. So now you can see that the changes have been implemented. We've gotten rid of that button that was right here, and then now this actually works. Now we'll say if it does make a mistake, and it definitely is possible, you can always restore a previous version of your website/app. And basically to do that, all you have to do is find in the chat where that was and click on the restore button. So if I want to bring that button back, I could click on this and it just take me back to that previous version. This is very helpful because you'll probably be making a bunch of small changes. Something might break after a change and you may want to restore to the previous version. Now, if I click on calculator right here, you can see we have this calculator. What I want you guys to realize is that basically anything you want to change, you can change just with the chat right here. So for example, if I want this to be called something else, let's say mortgage calc, I can tell it and it's going to change that. I can change all the colors as well. I can also upload an image that maybe I want to put as the logo right here. If I want to remove, let's say this affordability tab, I can tell it that and it can remove it. And yeah, as you can see, it's given us some really interesting features that are a bit more complex. For example, you can save certain scenarios. This is very helpful because typically when you're using calculators like this, you're weighing different options, right? Like if I want to put a bit of a bigger down payment, what is my payment going to look like? A bunch of stuff like that. But yeah, it looks like it's built it really well. We can choose from different presets. For example, if I am doing a 20% down conventional loan, we can set the price to $500,000, down payment of 20%. We can also choose a dollar amount. This means that we have a loan of $400,000. This is set to 30 years. We can put in our interest rate. So for example, 6.8%. I'm going to change the numbers. We can also play around with the advanced options. So as you can see, this is a really cool website that I literally built in under 10 minutes. Now, if I want to put this live, I would probably do a bit more tweaking editing and stuff like that. But to me, this actually looks pretty solid. It has visuals that we can actually interact with. We have this table right here. We also have insights, right? So really cool. And let's say, for example, I want to come here. Let's say we want to add a blog section. Add a blog section to this website. All right, add a blog section to this website and populate it with an article called "How much home can I afford?" I really like seeing what it's doing, like all the progress it's making in different steps, because if I were to actually do this myself, this would take days. Cool, so now we have a blog section right here. If I click on this, it takes me to a bunch of different articles. We have our "How much home can I afford?" article right here. Click on that. And what you guys can do is you can easily put affiliate links to these articles. That's another way to monetize using these websites. And yeah, there's so much potential. If you want to actually look at the code that went into building this, you can click this button right here, browse through it. I don't know how to read that at all, so I'm not going to do it at all. You can also edit content. And yeah, just for the sake of this video, I think that's good enough for now. We already built this really solid tool in minutes. And so what I'm going to do now is actually incorporate Google AdSense into our website. So I'm going to say that I want to add Google AdSense ads onto this page. Can you help me set that up? Now, some things it's going to require your own input. So for example, with this, we're going to need our AdSense code that we'll get from our AdSense account. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. And as you can see, it's going to require our publisher ID and ad codes. And what we can do is just paste them into here, and it's going to set everything up for us. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to set up your AdSense account. So if you just search up AdSense Google, it's going to take you to this page right here. And what you're going to do is click on sign up. If you already have an account, you can sign in. So the first thing it's going to ask you is your website. So I'm just going to put, I don't have a site just yet. Choose your payment country and territory. So I'm in the US, so I'm going to select that, read through this, click start using AdSense. And the first thing we want to do is set up your payments. So what you'll do is come here and click on enter information. So you'll put in the account type, your name and address, and then click submit. Now you can also see how ads look like on your website. But right now I'm going to show you guys how to actually connect your site to AdSense. So let's click on this button right here. Now before I do this, I'm going to want to come back to hosting your horizons. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on publish. Now you're going to want to connect your custom domain. So we'll click on this. You might notice that it looks a little bit different. I basically made the last one on the wrong account. So I basically had to just redo it. But essentially what you'll do is click on publish. We're going to want to connect a domain. So let's do something like this. Let's do the mortgagecalculatораpp.com. Click next. You guys should already have a domain included, but I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. So I'm going to come back to AdSense and we'll click on this button right here to connect our site to AdSense. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is verify your site ownership. So I'm going to click copy. I'm going to say place this code on the website. Check this box, click verify. Once you've done that, you're going to click verify. It's going to go to request review, and that might take up to 24 hours. After that, you'll get the proper codes that you'll then put into hosting your horizons. So simply put that into here and just follow the prompts to get Google AdSense fully loaded and working. Now within your AdSense accounts, if you go to sites, you'll see all the sites you currently have that are AdSense approved. You'll be able to manage the different ads that are shown on your websites. And of course, you'll also be able to check your payments over here. I'm not going to get too much into this right now. The rest of the process is pretty straightforward. And like I said, all you need to do is just use Horizons. It's going to ask you for all the info it needs. You're going to input it within the chat, and it's going to do all the coding for you. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can start making money online with Google AdSense. When you pair it with the strategy of creating really useful utility web apps, it really gives the perfect type of website that can get discovered, get organic views, and start making passive income through Google AdSense. Nowadays, you do not need to have a huge online company to make money. Instead, you can just build really useful niche sites like this using Hostinger Horizons and monetize them really effectively using Google AdSense, affiliate links, and whatever else you want to have. In fact, for example, if let's say you are a mortgage broker, having a site like this could be a perfect lead generation source for your own business. Anyways, all the resources that we talked about in this video are going to be down below. If you guys do use my Hostinger link, it will help support the channel. You also get the best pricing possible as well as that exclusive discount. So I do want to say thank you guys so much in advance. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. I make a ton of videos about entrepreneurship, tutorials, finance, all stuff to help you guys live a financially successful life. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.